Hey guys, this is a quick video on Epson Workforce Pro WF-3720 on how to replace an ink waste box that has the pads in it that collects the refused ink. So let's get right to it. We need to locate it first, and it's located on the back here. It's going to be on the left side. If we look at the back of the printer, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're just going to need to remove 2 screws. So one is right here. Then we remove the cover just like that. We'll lift the printer a little bit. There's little hooks here, and when it goes back in, should be pretty simple. Now we need to remove a screw right here on this side. Also Phillips head screwdriver. And then we can just push the waste ink tank out, and that's what we got, a whole bunch of pads. That's where the waste ink goes. So in order to put a new one in, we're just going to slide it in, put the screw back in here, and then we're going to put the cover back. Goes like this here. Should be pretty simple. So they made it pretty simple on this model, and that's pretty cool. Here we go. And we're all done. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.